Okay, we're going to look at 1.2. We've got order of operations. You guys remember PEMDAS? Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. P stands for parentheses. E stands for exponents. M is multiplication. D is division. Apparently I put an E instead of a D. I don't know why. A is addition and S is subtraction. Okay? It's telling you the order to do it in. But remember, it doesn't matter if there's multiplication or division. It's whatever comes first, left to right. It doesn't matter if there's addition or subtraction. It's left to right. So if you look at the steps, you're going to evaluate inside grouping symbols, evaluate powers, multiply and divide from left to right, and then add and subtract from left to right. So we're going to go through these problems. We've got 27 divided by 3 squared times 2 minus 3. Somebody want to raise their hand and tell me what I do first? Yes, sir. 3 to the second power, which is? 9. Good. What is my second step for this problem? Yes. Divide. 27 divided by 9 is 3. What is the third step? Nope, you multiply or divide from left to right. So my next step would be to multiply. 3 times 2 is 6. And what is 6 minus 3? 3. Alright, we've got some quick ones here. Why don't we do this? I'm going to give you a second. You're going to try these 3 problems. If you get done quickly, you can go ahead and try example 3. Why don't we try these 3 problems, and I'll give you a minute to work on them. Guys, I know it's a stretch to not use a calculator. Put 13 in your head. Take away 8, so 13. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Alright, so let's do this. 13 minus 8 is 5. 7 times 5 is 35. If you've got the wrong answer, just figure out why and fix it. Next one, we've got 3 squared is 9 plus 1 is 5. Excuse me. It's 10. 24 minus 10 gives us 14. Next one, we've got 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 30 minus 21 is 9. 2 times 9 is 18. Okay? If you got one of them wrong and you don't know why, please ask. If you don't want to ask in front of the whole class, I totally understand. Come up and ask me later, Ms. Carmeline. We want to make sure you guys do your homework correctly. All right, last problem for this packet, and then we'll got 9x over 3 times x plus 2. What are we replacing x with? 4. Good, because it says it right there. Good. So we get 9 times 4 over 3 times 4 plus 2. So I'm going to do the bottom part first because I've got something in parentheses. 4 plus 2 is 6. Good. Count on your fingers, guys. I do. All right. 9 times 4. Who knows? 9 times 4.
47.
36. What's 3 times 6? 6 times 2 is 12. 32, 42, 50, 60, 70. Yeah, 18. And 18 goes into 36 how many times? If you got stuck on one of those parts that I was going through, please let me know now. Is everybody okay? Followed my steps? It's going to be problems like this in your homework. All right, while Miss Parmalee is passing out 1.3, I want everybody